Good morning students and welcome back to our science class of 3rd standard. So students, up to now we have completed our 4 lessons. The name of the first lesson is living things and non-living things. Second lesson is our body system. Third lesson is respiratory system and fourth lesson is birds and their features. Okay? So in this way we have completed these 4 lessons with their question and answers. The question and answer that is given in your textbook, worksheet number 1, worksheet number 2, the broad question and answers also, the questions that are given in exercise, all the question answers we have completed. And I hope that you have written them in your notebook as well as in your textbook. Okay? So, what is now we have to do? So students, now we have completed the 4th lesson and now we have to do the revision of each and every lesson. So now in today's period we are going to revise of the first lesson. We are going to do the revision of the first lesson, and that is living things and non-living things. And what we are going to do in this revision? We are just going to revise the question answers that is given in worksheet number 1, worksheet number 2, or question answers that is given in exercise, and also the question answers of the lesson. So students, what are we waiting for? Let's start our lesson or let's start our revision. So student, in your textbook, page number 10, on page number 10, worksheet number 1 is given. And the first question is unscramble the letters. Listen carefully, I am talking about worksheet number 1, page number 10. So the first question in that worksheet number 1, unscramble the letters. And the first one is given here, E-T-A-H-B-E-R. And what is the correct word? Breathe. That we have to write here. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. This is the correct answer. Okay. Then second one is R-R-C-D-O-U-P-E-E. What is the correct answer of this word? B-U-C-E. We produce. Okay. And the last one, W-R-O-G. What is the correct word of this? Yes, G-R-O-W. Now see question number 2. True or false? You have to write down the answers after reading the sentence. We have already done this in your textbook, but then also we are just going to giving revision to this question and answers. Question number 2, true or false, and the first sentence is animals can move to different places. Can animals move to different places? Yes. So you have to write here true. True. Now see, second one, humans can move parts of their bodies. We are the humans. Can we move our different body parts? Yes. We can move our different body parts according to our wish. As we wanted, we can move our body parts to different directions. Various ways. Okay. So this is also true. Third one is plants can move to different places. Plants can move to different places. If you plant a plant in your garden, can that plant shifted to your neighbor's house another day? Is this happen? No, certainly not, because plants do not move. So this is false. This answer is false. Living organisms do not grow. We are the living things. We are the living organisms. And what is given here? Living organisms do not grow. So this statement is totally wrong. So it is false. Now see question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Now first I am reading the whole sentences and then I am going to tell you the answers. Okay. Dash dash is the process by which living being produce new living things. Some birds lay dash dash. These eggs hatch to give a young bird. Animals like dogs, cats and human beings give birth to young ones. They look like their parents. Okay, this is the whole sentence. So what is the answer in the first fill in the blanks? We have already written this, reproduction. That is the answer of this fill in the blanks. Reproduction is the process by which living beings produce new living things. Some birds lay, what is the answer here? Eggs. These eggs hatch to give a young bird. Animals like dogs, cats and human beings give birth to young ones. They look like their parents. Now see question number 4. Answer the following. Now name 2 things that all living things can do. Living things can do, they can do breathing. So I have written here breathe. And second thing, they can eat food. They can reproduce also. If you are writing reproduction, reproduce, that answer is also correct. Now second question, what is the color of the majority of plants? Now majority of the plants, they are having green color. Which color? Green colors. Whenever you look outside the trees, the plants, they are having green color. So we have to write here green. And how many nostrils do you have? Now I have told you the meaning of nostrils. The 2 openings of our nose. They are called as the nostrils. And how many nostrils do you have? So we human beings have 2 nostrils. Okay. So the answer is 2. You have to write here 2. Now students, why we are doing the revision of this exercise that is given below your lesson? Because we are going to take 10 marks worksheet of each and every lesson that you have to keep in your mind. And already I have given you the practice worksheet, demo of the practice worksheet number 1. And many of you have already solved it very successfully. Okay. So like that worksheet we are going to take, that type of worksheet we are going to take online. Okay. And you have to solve it. And that marks, that your marks will be counted in your result. Okay. As we are doing in school. What we are doing in the school? So students, after completing one lesson, we are having one worksheet of 10 marks. Okay. So like that, here also in this online education also we have completed 4 lessons, and now one by one we are going to take worksheet of each lesson, and whatever marks you score, that marks will be counted in your result. So be careful, be attentive, and you have to do whatever is taught in this online period. Okay? And students, don't forget to write down these all question answers in your notebook. Now you will say, ma'am, these all question answers already are given in our textbook. So why there is need to writing them in notebook again? So why I am telling you to write all these question answers in your notebook? Because by doing this will help you to revise the question and answers, also improve your writing speed. Okay, and you can remember all these question answers, and the question answers that I am going to set for worksheet will come from all these question answers. Okay, most probably I will set multiple choice questions, objective questions that will come. It means that unscramble the word, fill in the blanks, true or false, or if question answers are asked, you have to write down only one line answer, one sentence answer. So don't take any tension. Okay, don't get overburdened about this, don't be scared about this. This is very simple, and now we have started doing practice of our worksheet. Okay, so we are in this practice, we are just solving all the question answers, we are just doing revision of all the question answers that is given below your lesson. Okay, so like this we have finished 4 questions. Okay, now only 2 questions are remaining for this period. Okay, that we are going to do now. Now students, question number 5. Label the following. The pictures are given here and you have to name the pictures. First picture is of seed. So you have to write down in this box seed. Second picture is of seedling. So you have to write down the spelling of seedling. And third picture is of plant. So you have to write down P-L-A-N-T, plant. Now picture of the nose is given here, and here in the first fill in the blanks you have to write down air is taken in. It is shown here the air is going inside the nostrils. Okay, and this part of the nose is called nostrils, and here the air is coming out. Okay, so you have to write down air is given out. Now question number 6. Pick the correct answer. A plant which is very sensitive and close its leaves on touching is called as please touch me. That is wrong. So you have to cross here. Don't touch me. That is also wrong. Again you have to do cross here. Touch me not is the correct answer. So you have to correct it, and touch. That is also wrong. So like this we have finished our worksheet number 1. Okay. Now on page number 11, 2 questions are given. Now students, see on page number 11, 2 questions are given. Name any animal which you have seen moving. So in your house or your surrounding you have seen some animals, they are moving around, they are going from one place to another. You have to write down their names. In your house also you can see cat, dog. Okay, so I have written here cat, cow, cat, dog, horse. These are the animals we can see in our surrounding or in our house. Then name any plant present in your house, and that plant is money plant. Okay. Now students, on page number 12, one picture of a tree is given here. Okay. And some questions are asked below that picture. Okay. Now in that picture, jasmine flowers are there and koel is sitting on the branch of the tree. Now what is given? Imagine you are sitting under the shade of a tree near jasmine flowers. And first question is, you will be able to feel the fragrance of jasmine flowers through your dash dash. So if you take the fragrance of jasmine flower, you will take that fragrance with the help of your nose. So you have to write their nose. Then second, you can see mangoes on the tree with the help of your eyes. The answer is eyes. Then third, you could hear chirping of koel bird through your ears. So ears is the answer. And fourth one, you could taste ripe juicy mangoes with the help of your tongue. The mangoes are sweet or sour. You can feel that with the help of your tongue. So here on page number 13, living and non-living things are the title are given here, and you have to draw the picture of any living thing and any non-living thing. Okay. Living thing, in the living thing you can draw the picture of a tree also. Okay. And non-living thing you can draw a picture of table, chair, pencil, pen, eraser, whatever you want to draw. So students, here we have finished worksheet number 1. So like this, keep in mind that we are going to revise one by one all the worksheets and the question answers that is given below it. And from all that questions, any question will come in your worksheet. Okay. So I hope you have understood whatever I have told you today, and keep in your mind also, don't forget to give your presentee, don't miss any period, attend all periods, every period regularly, and mark your attendance. If you are having any difficulty, you can tell me, or you can comment me in the comment box. Okay. So till then, here I am just taking off your leave. Till then, you have to take care of yourself. Enjoy your learning. Wishing you a very happy learning. Till then, goodbye. Again, I just want to tell you my punchline: stay home, stay safe. Thank you.